Obi bekene kwa mu ni bonde ma nje mu na semu ha ike ko obona anya na-eme na agala ofuma biko now onwe video unu mana this week ni na iba this new month na ibanye no na ndị mmadụ ebulu ogu gidi we ebido mana nevertheless we move enwelo that lady ahụ asije deceive the Zion ministry when fake testimony in a church. I still stand my ground. I believe in Zion ministry. Zion ministry is too big for anybody to pull it down. And they are too big for this propaganda. And I so much thank God and them mother apatawago. Kubena indeed na that girl may again swindle on her. In the sense that I get no resolution. Kita no now. As that girl epic gear up, yes. She has been arrested and then doing with the property OJJ the fame are also on the matter. And Zion ministry are also saying they are going to pick up the issue. Now, actually, I'm going to video ever interview that girl and some of the things Oku regarding that one. Now, if you know that this thing is even she wanted to play smart one. Actually, smart one. Let her go. And the Bible Zion ministry coach smart one. People are taking risk. People, my anger in this thing, but tomorrow, na mad after I say, you're a man of God, you should preach peace and forgiveness. Chineke akpọgo ọkụ every day. Chineke megin akpọgo ọkụ every day. You could that forgiveness, It's time to forgive. You don't want to respect the law of the land. Even churches respect the law of the land. You gotta go. So because you want this video. And I can hear this young lady and what they have to say. Then after that, I will now come back. But know it now and know that now that girl now arrest again. Doing where the property has picked her up and she cannot give account of the property. And then in this video.
Love it.
Yes, sir.
Helen, there are two English names.
Your surname?
Yeah.
Now, do you remember a particular time that you were in Zion ministry?
Yes,
and Zion movement outreach,
yes,
with Pastor Ebuka Obi,
yes,
and you said you own a house in WTC estate, a house worth, a mansion worth 300 million.
yes, sir.
So is it true?
I'm still processing it. I've not concluded the payment.
Okay, so you said you built the house. You are still processing to build the house, or what?
I did not build it.
Yes. What did you do?
We are processing to buy it. Do you get? That's it.
Okay, you are processing to buy the house.
Yes, that's it. I've checked it. I've checked everything. I've done this thing, and
Yes.
the agent said that we should go to meet the landlord.
Please.
But you said
the prophecy. A prophecy came to you that you will make it, that everything will be fine, and you said you have already made it, that you now own the house. You are now a proud owner.
A proud owner, landlord.
Landlord of
that
that
have
house.
the evidence.
That you have your evidence. And you showed them your evidence.
The house.
Yes. Did you say a thing like that?
Yeah. I should
Did you? No,
ask.
please explain to us. Did you say a thing like that?
I said.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you said the prophecy has come to materialization, and that was why you are showing your evidence, right?
Yes, sir.
Did you in any way own the house? Is that house yours?
It's not mine now.
What is
Yes.
what is the plot number of the house? What is the plot number?
What is the plot number of the house?
The house that you are processing that you want to pay instrumentally.
Their house is the plot number is I've forgotten the plot.
Where is the house located? Which estate is it located?
Inside the WTC.
Inside WTC estate.
Yes, sir.
Do you own the 3 mansions or you own just one?
I don't own anyone.
My name is Sadido Konlabisi and I work for Rubicon Consult. And this is a building designed and constructed by Rubicon Consult. This is a 5-bedroom flat, a smart building. We have 2 buildings that is fully completed and one is undergoing construction, soon to be finished. And this is Barrister, the legal counsel of Rubicon Consult.
Okay, my name is Barrister C.P. Ogadu, Esquire. I am from Ayamene SAN Chambers. My principal, Barrister Mbadoa SAN, has sent me here We are the lawyers, the legal representative of Robocop Company Nigerian Limited. And if you have seen a video making round in the social media about a certain lady that said she was prophesied to.
I'm so happy. I don't know where to start.
Good news is coming to the family of Lovett.
Amen.
Lovett, I see you celebrating.
Amen.
Lovett. This prophecy will be replayed on the day of your testimony.
Amen. Show the evidence. Zion is the best. This is the last bus stop. I have my evidence here.
Where is the evidence? Hey! This is a mansion. I prophesy.
This is the building. It is located in Enugu WTC Estate precisely. And this building are still on sale. Each of the 3 units is going for 300 million. It's not sold as of today. And if you have been thinking that lady owns the building, that's not true, because this belongs to our client, the Robocop Company Nigerian Limited. And leading you into the building, you can see is exactly the same building. The building is unique in Nigeria.
So Miss Lovett Alo came a few days ago with her agents and also with a prospective client. According to her, she claimed that she has somebody that is interested in buying the building, so she was allowed to come into the building for inspection. She came precisely to this other building and to check the building out. While touring the building, she went around with the prospective clients, according to what she told us, and after a few minutes, she requested for some seconds to be able to talk to the clients in private. So we allowed her to talk to the clients in the building for a few seconds. Unknowing to us, she made a video of herself claiming that she had already paid for the building, that she paid 200 million for the building, and she'll be balancing up in no time.
All right. Yeah, I got this one. The house is 2, but this is the one I choose. And I paid 200. I'm paying the house installment. I think it's remaining 100. The house is 300 million. That's it. Okay.
And after she went, that was when we were able to verify that she is the same person that made a video a few days back claiming that she is the owner of this building. On that video, she claimed that a prophecy was given to her and she was able to procure a building.
The lady in question now is already in police net. She is currently cooling off in police net, and all the people who are involved in the scheme to mislead the public will soon be brought to book. And here is the interior of the building. You can still see is the interior of the building. The exact same building you saw circulating in the social media that she bought it for 300 million. This is the building. There is no such sale. We have not recorded such sale, as our client and the management team are still looking for potential buyers.
Yes, I'm on the next video now. Welcome back. Thank you very much for staying and watching the video to the end. So now my problem now, all these bloggers Bugali news, when they fake testimony, playing car, need you go arranging. Can't you people now also push this narrative now? Because now Obolo no Pastor Buza arrested this girl. Now they are putting her under pressure. Call where my again, call where to us. And somebody is saying that now on age the good girl now. That now the pastor yeje good, you know, in the girl's name, so that each day the girl, can the girl see really, yeah, indeed no goal, yeah. I so much tango now the people when the property move swiftly. In the sense that they move smartly and went to fall and making grab where. So all that charge you of defamation of the property and the company or the firm, then she will now come out and answer query for also getting defaming Zion ministry, because you want to drag people, they more than their faith. We get entangled with all these things. I say our men of God are not to be trusted again in Nigeria. I've keep saying this now. Any man of God or born that doesn't have love and compassion is not a real man of God. Not a God. Any man of God or born that doesn't have love and compassion for people is not a big man of God. Remember, I didn't say forgiveness. I say love. I say love. all these things unu na-ebugali agenda unu egbu akwụ unu kwatu Evangelist Ebuka Obi onye unu eme na 1 mee 2 mee 3 mee 4 mee ogene no today say na mmadụ mepe ọnụ na voice note si na oyi emekwa Evangelist Ebuka Obi accuse na omele mmadụ ịtụwa mmadụ ime ejeje emepịa the girl nwa nye na oyi ekwu ya ọ bụrụ na atara gị okwu ahụ mgbe this guy will say it and people will now want to believe it. Ese na onye meta ihe ojije nga na eje na nga. This year is a year of judgment. I keep saying onye meta ihe ojije nga oje nga. Ishu ajụ onye ọbụla onye akwijele na ha akwado na 1 year na nga kita. Agwara ha akwado na 1 year. Ka anyị na-enene ka afọ kwere si. Thank you for watching and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Kọle nọmba ọzọ ndị bye.